Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to Sisters MIEE. Today we are going to put tattoos on our eggs because it's going to make our eggs look so much fun.
So we got these from Target.
We already cut them out.
Ooh, so cute.
And if you want to learn how we dye the eggs, you can check out the link in the description.
Let's get to it. Okay, I want to dye the blue egg.
So
That's purple.
I'm going to do this egg and the sticker. This is Happy Easter.
Ooh, this one.
And the way to put them on is to take off the clear film.
Ooh, take off that.
And then you put it on the egg. And then you get a damp cloth and put it on and touch it for about 1 minute.
Oh my god. It's sticky. Go. This is up really wet. Okay, this is wet.
I wonder how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I see. It's going on there really good.
So cool. I wonder if it's gonna show.
Like a normal.
Really?
It's like a normal. It's like a normal tattoo.
Once the tattoo has transferred, you slowly peel off the paper.
Okay, I want the tattoo. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's peeling, but it's not all the
The-
way.
This thing did it, but peeled it off, but it's still pretty.
Whoa.
Well, it's kind of weird. And
Oh wow, but it still got
I'm
on.
gonna let that dry.
It says Happy Easter. Then it's all gone.
I'm gonna do this one.
Happy Easter.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Oh, thanks.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with
Now I'm gonna
this.
Whoa.
Oh.
I'm going to be doing now a pink. No, a purple. I'm gonna do this one. This pattern. Maybe no, not this pattern. I want to do a pattern, but I don't know if it'll show up.
A few moments later.
Look at our eggs. They're all tattooed. I do. Yeah, two.
I got a tattoo on my hands too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give it a huge thumbs up.
And remember,
can't do a thumb.
be kind to others.
Oh.
And make a new friend.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.